In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Koyfin Watchlist. By the end, you'll know how to create a watch list, add the tickers you care about, and organize everything so the data you need is always front and center. First, let's get to your watch lists. On the left side menu, click My Watchlists. This opens your watchlist dashboard, the central place where you'll create, edit, and manage all your lists. If you're already working elsewhere in Koyfin, remember you can also access your watch lists from the right sidebar at any time for quick navigation. Now, let's create a new watch list. Inside the My Watchlists page, click the New button at the top. Give your watch list a clear, descriptive name so you know exactly what it's for when your list of watch lists grows. Names like tech stocks, crypto plus ETFs, or dividend picks work well and keep things organized. When you're happy with the name, press Enter or click Create. You'll see a blank list ready for you to populate. Next, add tickers to your watch list. Click Add Ticker on your empty list to open the search box. Start typing the ticker symbols you want to track. Examples could be AAPL for Apple or BTCUSD for Bitcoin. As you type, select each item from the suggestions to add it to your watch list. Take a second to confirm you've chosen the correct instrument, especially if a symbol exists on multiple exchanges. If you already have a list of symbols elsewhere, you can save time by using the bulk import option. Just copy your tickers and paste them into the import box, and Koyfin will load them into the list for you. With your symbols in place, let's organize the watch list so it's actually useful. You can drag tickers to reorder them in any way that fits your workflow, maybe by sector, market cap, or priority. To create custom groups, use the +add ticker field and type an asterisk before a name. This turns that entry into a group header, letting you cluster items, for example, into longs, dividends, or watch closely. Groups make scanning faster and help you focus on what matters. Finally, customize the data you see. Click the columns icon above your list to pick which metrics to display, like price, percent change, volume, or valuation fields. Choose what's most relevant to your strategy, and don't worry about losing your layout. Your column selections automatically save. That's it. You've created a watch list, added your tickers, grouped them logically, and tailored the columns so your dashboard works the way you do.